Hi everyone, this is Adam with How To Coffee Pro YouTube channel, formerly SCA.training. I'm still a AST certified trainer with the Specialty Coffee Association, and we have certified courses. So if you're interested, that's still available. But I'm expanding and wanted to make these new videos, introduction, invitation, open to you. So howtocoffeepro.com. I've got a newsletter. We'll be doing email updates, new classroom, fun classes for the coffee fans, things that you can use in your home, and professional certified courses, lots of new content for coffee professionals. So in this, I hope everyone's going to find something where you're leveling up, you're engaging the next level of coffee. So we'll look at lots of cool topics. This is just the beginning, but we've got coffees that are washed, we've got honey, we've got natural, we're gonna look at experimental processing. And so if you're a coffee buyer, if you're a green coffee grower, there's gonna be something here that's fun. We'll take a deep dive, and we're gonna look at, also on my website, there's available Robusta coffee. We'll get Robustas from Mexico, from Tanzania, from India, all over the world, and we'll compare them with Arabicas, and how do they drink, and how do they taste? And what are they used for? These are important for classic Italian espressos, so it's important that we understand these in the specialty coffee world. What is that Robusta Arabica? And then we're going to roast coffee. We're going to take that green coffee, we're going to roast it. We'll do some fresh roasting. This is a dark roast I just made up for my wife. She loves a dark roast. We'll do medium roast, light roast, and really talk about roast development, the profile, and how things work best in the roaster. And what does that mean, fresh roasted? How do we enjoy it? So we'll take that fresh roasted coffee. We're going to try out lots of different grind settings, grind level, and understand extraction. What is brewing and extraction? How do we measure things like total dissolved solids? And understand what's that perfect golden cup, right? We'll look at lots of brewing methods. I've got all kinds of brewing devices and toys. We're gonna look at filtration. So again, if you just wanna enjoy coffee at home, great. There's gonna be something for you. If you're the professional barista in the cafe, you're trying to develop your sensory skills, sensory analysis. How do we perceive coffee, taste, flavors? What are we doing when we're cupping these coffees? We've got our spoons and we're slurping. Let's dig in. Let's look at the flavor wheel together. Let's cup some coffees. And if you would, like, subscribe, share with a friend, sign up for the newsletter, and I'll talk to you soon.